Hello, my name is Shelley Nadell, and I'm a CFP professional and fiduciary advisor. I founded Food and Finance with Shelley to revolutionize the way employees understand and incorporate financial strategies into their daily lives. Our unique approach to teaching makes learning finance entertaining and accessible. We both know that most financial presentations are dry and uninspiring, filled with jargon and charts that disconnect and disengage your employees. But our presentations are compelling, captivating, and fun. We use cooking analogies and relatable examples to make complex financial concepts digestible and to engage and empower participants. At Food and Finance, our creative presentations cover priority financial topics that are on your employees' minds. Do I have enough for retirement? How do I protect my family? What are my medical and long-term care risks? Can I afford to send my kid to college? When your employees are weighed down with financial worry and insecurity, job performance and morale will suffer. But with Food and Finance, they're going to feel empowered and confident, which will lead to less stress, more productivity, and higher job satisfaction. Reach out to us today and let's make financial education an exceptional experience for your employees. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.